ho ho! Wow, guys, look at that! So many animals of Jurassic World evolution. Wow, so muddy. Wow, so colorful. Okay, guys, now let's collect it and cleaning up. Wow, very cool. Wow, nice. Yo ho ho, guys, look at that. So shiny. Wow, cool. Wey, very nice. Wow, cool. Wow, so shiny. Guys, look at that. So many again. Wow, cool. Wow, very nice. Yo ho ho, look at that. So cool. Wow, how about this one? Wow, very nice. Wow, guys, look at that. So big. Wow, very nice. Wow, red color. Wow. Wow, I think it's cool. Okay, guys, time to cleaning. Yo ho ho, clean water. Okay, guys, I will take it. Wow. Yo ho ho, I have mosasaurus.
Shy, so
Wow, so cool. Wow, guys, look at that. Wow. Yo ho ho, we have hammer-thor. Wow, very nice. How about this one? Wow. Yo ho ho, this is Kingkong. So cool. Wow. How about this one? Wow, very nice. Yo ho ho, this is Carnotaurus. Wow, so cool. Wow, guys, look at that. So big. Wow, so difficult, guys. Yo ho ho, we have Velociraptor. Wow, so cool. How about this one? Okay, come on. Yo ho ho, this is Megalodon. Very nice. Don't forget it. Wow. Yo ho ho, this is Tarbosaurus. Wow, so nice. Wow, look at that. Red color. Yo ho ho, we have Kingkong albino. Wow, very nice. Wow, guys, look at that. Another big. Wow. Wow. Yo ho ho, we have Giganotosaurus. So cool. Guys, look at that. So many again. Wow. Can you see? Yo ho ho. This is Indominus Rex. Wow, so cool. How about this one? Hey, this is Triceratops. Very nice. Wow, look at that. So cool. Yo ho ho, this is Indoraptor. Very nice. Wow, look at that. So cool. Hey, this is Tyrannosaurus Rex. Wow, so cool. How about this one? Wow. Yo ho ho, we have Giganotosaurus. Wow, so cool. And the last one. Yo ho ho, this is Dinosaurs. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you.